Hello, this is HL7starterkit.com. I wanted to shoot a video to help those who have never installed Mirth Connect. Um, we're going to install Mirth Connect right here, quick and easy. We'll do it in 3 easy steps. We're going to download Mirth Connect first from their website. We'll install it on our computer and we'll launch it. This is the Mac version, so I will also create a video for the Windows operating system, but this is my Mac, so let's do, if you have a Mac, stay tuned. Keep watching. If you have a Windows, stop this, go to my YouTube channel, and look for the Windows version of this tutorial. Okay, let's launch our web browser. Let's go to google.com, and I look for Mirth Connect. Right at the very top, you get a link to download. Sorry if I'm going a little fast, but I don't want to take up a lot of time here. I don't want to take up your time. This is the Mac version, but so here's my installer. If I had Windows, I would be up here, but I have a Mac, so let's go ahead and install this, but it's going to take probably, I don't know, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. You can see the progress, download progress over here. This takes a second. While I'm here, we should mention the Mirth Connect forum. If you're looking for help or just some advice, just want to read through what Mirth can do, what kind of issues or help people can have documented on Mirth forum. I would highly recommend you go to the Mirth Connect forum. I don't see a link here, but let's go to google.com. This is very quickly. And you type Mirth Connect forum, I imagine you hit the link at the very top. There it is. mirthcorp.com community forums. And there's Mirth Connect forum. Go ahead and sign up for that. I highly recommend that. Okay, let's continue. Here is, in the very top is the very last time I installed Mirth Connect. I double click that in my Safari downloads. And I get this window. And I usually just double click this icon. I get this message. It's not an application. I heard you can sort of bypass this message, but I just got this MacBook Air and I'm still learning how to work with it. So I usually just hit open. You can see the icon down here jumping. It's doing its thing. It's installing. It'll take a second. At least it did before. Okay, and there we go. It says, okay, you want to install Mirth Connect? I need your password, please. Hit your Mac OS user login password. The password to log into the computer. And let's see what happens. There we go. Alright, cool. What I do is I accept all defaults. You could always change the defaults later in the administrator window. I just hit next, 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 next. Remember this port? It's always by default 8080. You can change that too. Now or later. Next, next. Application. Here are the logs and application data. Okay. Here, I want to make note of this in case I can't find. I'm going to copy and paste. This is where Mirth will be installed, if I understand that correctly. I'm going to make note of that. Click the install service. Again, I just click right through all the defaults. If you want to look to see, let's see. Paste that location. The folder location into here. While that's installed, I'm going to open up that folder. How do I go do this? I'm still getting used to the Mac. There we go. Nope, haven't created it yet. Swap one? There we go. So here's the actual folder of the Mac of the Mirth Connect. And there it goes. You can see the files loading as this runs. So there's a Mirth Connect folder. Here's a path. MacBook Air. That's my computer. That's my hard drive. This is the folder it's in. And under applications, you should see Mirth Connect. Now, what I'm not sure is if we're going to see a folder or an icon under applications. We'll take a quick peek there. As soon as this is done and confirm. What we're going to do is open up a new Finder window really quickly here. So you're going to have two Finder windows. Click on Application. It's not here. There it is. Cool. Cool. So while it was installing, we saw the folder being updated, uploaded, refreshing, and at the same time, we saw the installer putting a folder into our application called Mirth Connect. So that works. Let's close this up. The completed wizard popped up. Let's say run Mirth Connect Server Manager. Let's hit finish. Hopefully this works. I know I had an error last time I did this. Cool. So step one, download Mirth Connect from the website. Perfect. Install it on your computer. We did that. Lastly, let's launch it. Okay, now it's time to launch Mirth Connect. Usually after the first time you launch it, you get a little icon here. You can launch it that way, I believe, but I like to go straight to the web browser. So let's do that. Also, keep in mind that the default username and password is admin. So let's do that. Let's go to Safari, enter the URL. And this is all in the README file, by the way. So if you go to the README file on the Mirth installer. So you click launch. Oh, see that? Launch Mirth Connect, and you get what? You get this web start file. Let's click web start. And then I click open. And then what happens is Mirth Connect starts to launch. Oh, and that Mirth Connect icon actually did a quick jump. And let's see what happens. It'll only take a second here. Again, keep in mind, admin. So let's type that in. Again, this is all default. This all can be changed in the Mirth Connect server settings. I just wanted to do the quickest video I could possibly do. Taking a little longer than I wanted to, but that's cool. That's good. Let's see this go. See it launch. Mirth Connect interface engine. It runs on Java. So I believe the installer should load Java for you, but if it doesn't, then let me know and I can help you with that too. Because I didn't install Java on this MacBook, because you can see it's running. So yeah, I suggest you would leave an admin account. Let's pick a new password. Pick the admin first name. This is an admin account. This is an admin account. Let's see. Let me finish. Oh, acquired. Organization, all the same. There we go. All right. Click finish, and you're in. That's it. That's how to install Mac. Mirth Connect on a Mac. Again, if you want help with the Windows version, look around my channel, ho7starterkit.com, or go to my website, ho7starterkit.com, and we can help you with that. But this is the Mac version, and thank you very much.